Assalamualaikum दोस्तों, welcome back to my channel. In this video we are going to learn how to plot Ogive. Here class intervals and frequencies will be given and we have to plot on the basis of this table an Ogive. Okay, so the first include two columns. The first column will be of class boundary and cumulative frequency. So first calculate class boundaries. To calculate the class boundaries, the formula is lower class minus 0.5, and for upper class boundary we have to add 0.5 in our upper class. So here the first class interval is 35 to 39. So our first class boundary will be subtract 0.5 from 35. This will be 34.5. Now add 0.5 in 39. So it will be 39.5. So our first class boundary will be 34.5 to 39.5. 29.5 to 34.5. Now complete this column. So I have completed all the class boundaries here. Now calculate the CF. For CF, write the last frequency as it is, that is 2. Now add 2 and 5, that will be 7. Now add 9 and 7, that will be 16. Now add 16 and 14, that will be 30. 30 plus 13, that will be 43. Now add 43 and 8, 51. Now add 51 and 1, that is 52. So these are our cumulative frequencies. Now we are going to plot on x-axis class boundaries, and on y-axis we are going to plot CF. So let's plot it. So here our class boundary is not started from 0, that's why make a mark like this. Now write the first lower class boundary, that is 4.5. Now 9.5, 14.5. Complete this x-axis. Here I have completed the class boundaries on x-axis. Now plot the cumulative frequencies. Here the highest cumulative frequency is 52. So we will take interval of 10. Okay. So the first 10, 20, 30, 40 and 50, 60. You can take other scale as per the space. Okay. Now we have to plot the ogive. For ogive, look at the first class boundary, that is the lower class boundary is 4.5. Here we will take the cumulative frequency as 0. So mark it at 0. Now for 9.5, that is the cumulative frequency is 2 for the range, for the class boundary 4.5 to 9.5. So here 2 will be plotted. So the next point 14.5, that will be 7. Okay, I am marking it approximate. 19.5, for 19.5 cumulative frequency is 16 less than 20. Okay, next 24.5, so the cumulative frequency is 30. 24.5 cumulative frequency is 30. So here is a 30. Next 29.5 cumulative frequency is 43. Cumulative frequency is 43. Next, 34.5. So the cumulative frequency is 51. 51. Next, 39.5. The cumulative frequency is highest, that is 52. So this will be our 52, just above the 51. Now connect all these points with the help of scale. Okay, so this is your Ogive of the given data. Thanks for watching.